So I'm making this video to review a, a Forex trading signal provider, actually a response to a recent message or reply from their WhatsApp messenger. I actually subscribed to their service during 14th or 15th of August, and so here is the I was actually very upset with their signals, as my trades are drawing down a lot after following the first few of their signals, and I actually stopped following them afterward and sent them this message asking for a monthly trade history where they are in net profit, because the trades they sent me, I was really finding them very frustrating and upsetting, because I was barely making any money. And then I actually asked for a refund in a very few days. I think maybe in 1 or 2 days, because I just did not like the way the very first signals they sent me. But they said that I should just keep following the program and I will make money. And then after 2 weeks, I sent this message out of real frustration, because a few of the trades I took following their signal were drawing me down extremely. And then they replied with this message saying that they of course have monthly profit history, like the performance, but they think that after I sending them like a message this, it's not, nothing will actually convince me. That's what they tried to say. And here also you can see that they said that I'm actually looking to make profit every single day and effectively try to win a lottery. He said that in the long term I'll go broke trying to do this, while they will be holding a strong profit. They also said that there is no way I have taken a net loss over the last 2 weeks by following their material if I'm not adding stops and targets and blah blah blah. So now it's actually been 3 weeks with their signal, and let's see how all of their trades are actually standing. So here I have all their trades summarized, the signal they have given me so far. And here you can see that the first set of signals were this, where so actually these signals were sent when I was not even in their service. So I actually got this right after I subscribed to their signals, and from these signals they made actually $304 pips in total. But then the week after, that's what I actually started trading, or I was supposed to trade their alerts. Here you can see that they considered a loss of 154.2 pips, and in the following week they actually considered loss of another 262.3 pips. And this is the current trade, unrealized trade so far they have. And you can see that here as well they have unrealized loss of 205.9 pips. So if you just try to find a net realized profit with their signals in last 3-4 weeks, you can see that if I traded all of their alerts, I'm supposed to consider loss of 112.5 pips, and the unrealized loss I should be in is 205.9 pips, and in total, realized and unrealized, I should be in loss of 318.4 pips. So, and you can see that they are trying to say that there is no way I have taken a net loss over the last week. So probably the data was a little bit in their favor just 1 week ago or so, but I don't think it was any way in the profit. And that's where I wonder if they really trade their own signals or alerts. I mean, there's a lot of things you can look at here, that how much they lost when they're losing um, and they actually made some pretty good profit with the first week signal I got. But then in the following week, you can see that they lost 450 pips um, in just trying to short USD JPY. And then in the following week, they lost 300 pips in GBP USD, 230 pips in USD CAD, while trying to compensate some of their loss in USD JPY, longing it, and then also some in the odd USD. And in the very last one, you can see that also they are drawing down a lot. So I don't know actually how this claim themselves profitable in this. They're saying they're doing it for over 16 years. I don't know how much money you guys are making, like. And also the strategy you people use is you can see that it's pretty much going long for 3 USD and going short for 2 USD pairs, or just doing the opposite. I mean, this is kind of a hedging way, where I believe hedging is something when you have very low confidence on your trade predictions. And I mean, anyway, that's actually your strategy, whatever you want to do. But the way you try to claim that your LR should be profitable in net, and you also try to claim that I am trying to win a lottery every single day and I should go broke very soon. Hopefully you are not right. Let's look at my trading experience so far. I'm actually not a very experienced trader or anything like that. I'm a very novice trader trying to learn trading for just about a year. And I'm actually trading for this funded trading program, like prop firm named BlueFX, from which I've got actually and trading account of $25,000. And let's see how much money I have made so far with them. So here is the total realized profit and loss you are looking at. On my account of this $25,000, I have made $2,965.48 in total profit so far. And they have a profit target reach out limit of 5%, which if you reach, you can withdraw 50% of the profit you have made. So from here you can see that I have in total I have made more than 12% so far. And that means I have reached the 5% target 2 times, and I have withdrawn my profit also 2 times. So 5% is 1,250 of 25,000, and I get 50% of that profit, so $625. I got so far 2 payouts in just less than 3 months, and the gap between the 2 payouts is about 1 month. And you can see that I am almost 1/3 way to my third target reaching, where I have so far in $456 profit for the third time. Thus in total I have made $2,965.48 profits. And I'm really loving this platform, where I can actually subscribe for a very nominal monthly fee, and I'm making this insane amount of money. And I mean, I am not, as I said, I'm not any kind of pro trader or anything. I just every day I just look at the possible trading opportunities through my MetaTrader 5 charts, and I just basically try to measure the support and resistance, and I take my trade accordingly. And I have been consistently profiting for the last couple of months, as you see. And so that's what I wanted to share. I actually try to believe the people who actually claim giving very good service and signaling, and they claim they research the market with so many mathematical statistical analysis. But so far my experience with you guys is really frustrating, and I would really say that if I have traded all your signals in my account. I should have been like in 112 pips realized loss, which should be more than $500 for my trading ability, and in total is 318 pips, which is pretty much $1,500 drawdown in my $25,000 funded account if I trade with the maximum ability. So if I followed you, I should have been in $1,500 loss by now. And you actually know some of the losses I actually got here are from the signals. So here you see that this $353 loss in the GBP USD trade was from this Fractalerts signal, where they lost actually 300 pips. So the total loss would be $1,500 in this single trade if I waited until they asked me to close it. So I actually closed it pretty soon and minimized my loss. And this $183 loss is also from another signal provider, which I shouldn't have taken, I believe. But also, if I didn't have any stop loss on this thing, I should have been profitable on this right now. But I just thought that it's actually the market is reversing. As I said, that I'm not a professional or experienced trader, but all I do is like following the support and resistance in my hourly and 4-hourly charts, and that's all I am finding very much profitable going through. I don't need so many complicated technical analysis, and I mean, I don't know how it will be in the long run, but I am just finding the support and resistance very, very helpful in predicting the market condition. And so far, I believe I'm predicting it. You can see that hopefully it's way better than what those experts are trying to predict. On that note, I would like to say that I want my first month subscription fee refunded, where I should actually claim you like all the net loss you could have given me, like $1,500. But I know you are not going to pay me that, but at least please pay back my $200 that I gave you. I think that even the free Telegram signals groups can give better signal than so that you guys gave me with. So I am really unsatisfied with your service. I maybe this is not the common scenario with you all the time, but that for the time being I have been with you. This is not something someone should pay 200 freaking bucks monthly to get alerted about. On that note, I would like to apologize if I hurt you anyway, or your experience or whatever you talk about, like this 16 years of experience. Maybe you are profitable in the long run, but in the short run you can see that your performance is really frustrating to me, and I want my money back.